it's Leah here, and welcome back to my channel VA Talks with Leah. I'm excited to welcome you to this journey into the world of real estate virtual assistants. If you're thinking about becoming a real estate virtual assistant, or you've just landed your very first client, congratulations! That's a huge step forward, and you should be proud of yourself. Today, I'll walk you through the most essential skill every real estate VA absolutely needs to master: property research and lead generation. These are the building blocks of your success in this field. Think of yourself as a detective for real estate investors. Your job is to dig deep, uncover hidden gems, and find the right properties that perfectly match your clients' needs and investment goals. Your research doesn't just help clients make smart investment decisions, it also saves them valuable time and money, making you an indispensable part of their team. When you deliver accurate, well-organized leads, you become a trusted partner, not just someone who completes tasks. Clients will rely on your expertise and attention to detail. Mastering property research is truly your ticket to a successful VA career. Every investor out there needs a steady flow of high-quality leads to grow their business. This guide will walk you step by step through finding, organizing, and presenting property leads like a true professional. Ready to get started? Let's dive in and unlock your potential. And before we dive deeper, please subscribe to my channel, VA Talks with Leah. Hit a like and tap the notification bell so you'll get notified on my next videos. Let's talk tools. You don't need to spend a dime to get started. Zillow is your go-to for property data, homes for sale, price history, tax info, and photos. Google Maps lets you virtually explore neighborhoods and check property conditions with Street View. Google Sheets or Excel is where you'll organize your leads: address, price, owner, status, and notes. Keep your spreadsheet clean and simple. Messy data wastes everyone's time. Master these 3 free tools before worrying about paid platforms. They're all you need to start delivering value to your clients. As you grow, you can explore advanced tools, but for now, focus on the basics. Build your foundation with these essentials. Start smart, start lean. First, start by getting a clear and detailed brief from your client. Ask about their target area, the type of property they're interested in, their budget, and any special criteria or preferences they might have. The more specific you are at this stage, the easier your search will be later on. Next, head over to Zillow or your preferred real estate platform. Enter the city or zip code your client wants, and use the search filters to narrow down options by price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and property type. Don't forget to adjust filters for things like lot size or year built if those matter to your client. As you browse, keep an eye out for keywords such as fixer-upper, as-is, or investor special. These terms often signal distressed properties or homes with potential for value add, which can be great opportunities for certain buyers or investors. When you find a property that matches your client's criteria, record all the important details in your Google Sheet. Include the address, asking price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, square footage, year built, a link to the listing, and any other relevant notes. Be sure to add context in your notes. Mention things like leaky roof, price reduced, or needs renovation. These details help your client quickly understand the property's condition and potential. Take time to verify each property using Google Maps and Street View. Check if the property matches the listing photos and descriptions. Also, look at the neighborhood. What's nearby? Is it well kept? And does it fit your client's needs? Add your own observations and insights to the notes section. Mention anything unusual or noteworthy you spot during your research. This extra step of thorough research and note-taking helps your client avoid bad investments and gives them confidence in your recommendations. Repeat this process for each property you find. Over time, you'll build a solid, well-organized list of leads that your client can review and act on. Remember, attention to detail and careful documentation are what set you apart from the competition in this business. Your organized and thorough research becomes your client's secret weapon, helping them make smarter, more informed property decisions. Once you've gathered a list of promising leads, your next step is to track down the property owners, a process known as skip tracing. This is a crucial skill for any real estate virtual assistant, as it helps you connect the dots between properties and the people who own them. Use county public records or property appraiser websites to look up owner names, mailing addresses, and sometimes even contact numbers. These official sources are reliable and often updated, making them your go-to tools for accurate information. Carefully double-check your spreadsheet for typos, missing data, or outdated info. Accuracy is everything in real estate. Even a small error can lead to wasted time or missed opportunities. Add a clear summary at the top of your sheet, like 15 leads in Dallas, top 3 highlighted. This makes it easy for your client to see priorities at a glance and quickly understand your progress. As your lead list grows, consider moving beyond spreadsheets. Use a CRM like Trello, Asana, or Podio to manage leads as ongoing projects, track communication, and set reminders for follow-ups. Move properties through workflow stages: new, contacted, under review, offer made, and closed. This visual pipeline helps you and your client see exactly where each deal stands. CRMs keep you and your client organized, aligned, and always on the same page, making collaboration seamless and efficient. Regularly update statuses as you gather new information. This habit boosts efficiency and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Great organization is what truly makes you stand out as a VA. Your attention to detail and structured approach will be noticed and appreciated. By handling the details, you free up your client to focus on what matters most: closing deals and growing their business, while you take care of the rest. Here's a bonus. Help your client find cash buyers, especially if they're wholesaling. Join local real estate Facebook groups and note members who say they're cash buyers. Build a spreadsheet of buyers, names, contact info, and what they want. Use county records to find recent cash sales. Look for transactions with no mortgage. Research LLCs or investors behind these sales for more buyer leads. Quick recap. Get client criteria. Use free tools to find and verify properties. Organize leads, skip trace owners, and build a cash buyers list. Track everything in a CRM for maximum efficiency. Consistency and attention to detail are key. Practice makes perfect. Keep learning, ask questions, and you'll become indispensable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified on my next videos.